Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video.
Hi.
Going to the beach.
Very good. You're a little YouTubers, right? I don't even have to do the intro.
Yeah.
So they said it right. They're going to the beach. Mommy doesn't need to work today. We're just getting some gas. Petrol, sorry, for the car. As you can see, I didn't sleep. Oh my gosh.
You're getting just water for the car.
Gas water. Yeah, the car also needs to drink. You're very right, my car.
Car's very thirsty.
Oh, I couldn't sleep. The church has.
Couldn't sleep because of the dog. Shout.
There are dogs and what else?
And
Churches.
Mommy went to make pancakes in the night.
Well, it wasn't really night.
No.
Anyway, what we do is we go with our families to the beach. So that has been our Sunday routine. Going to the beach early in the morning, hanging out with a couple of families who have became our friends, and we all bring food. So this time I decided to make pancakes because that's the only Dutch food that I know. Oh, you see, he said hello. 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 Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Hi, Takadu.
Those days when you was
That time I was a shutter. Hey, Micah. Oh, sorry. Come on.
Not going.
Hold on.
No. Oh, sorry.
Micah, niet klimmen. Zo vaak. Wow.
she scored. She scored again.
Let me try.
Yeah, come down.
After a bumpy ride, we finally made it. You can actually also stay here. Let me just ask real quick if I can show you a room. It's nice, just standard, but nice. Some people won't believe this is Africa, right? The manager was kind enough to show me a room. Oh, this is actually very nice. You have your own little TV set here. And then I believe a king size bed. And then here you have your own, why is it turning? Own balcony. Imagine waking up here at the beach. This is very nice, right? Maybe we should come and stay here for some couple of days. What do you guys think?
It's so cold.
It is very, very cold.
We got very frozen.
It is very, very cold. You see, this is a very nice and beautiful beach. They keep it clean. But Ghana, people of Ghana, this is my problem. This is why I want plastic ban on single-use plastic in whole of Africa. I mean, we have so many resources here. We have bamboo, we have everything. But look at this place. This is terrible. This is so terrible. Let me zoom in for you. There are slippers here. There are bottles here. It's just crazy. You know, Africa is the most beautiful, one of the most beautiful continents on the world. Why would we spoil it like this? Come on. We can really do better. And this all came out of the sea, eh? It hurts me so much. I don't want this beautiful continent to be spoiled in any type of way, but this is serious damage. Serious damage. Did you have a nice swim? Hi, Daddy. This one is 500 Ghana. Is it alive? Wow. Let me see it. It's nice. Wait, cook it.
I can't deal with this. You can use one.
Do you want to hold some, Sophie?
Madam, stay there.
That's 100 grams.
Oh, mini.
Oh, I thought you were sleeping.
What is this? What is this? Hey.
Hey, this is no joke, eh? Are you planning to kill me? This grave is like exactly my size. What's happening here, Kevin? Are you tired of me? I better watch my back, you guys.
No.
He dug his own grave.
Oh my goodness. Ah, he was a good boy. He was a good boy. Oh my goodness. I think you should put down. Let me put down. These are they're clean enough. These are gone. Then you can take it off. So no sun goes in your face. Well, I'll take it off.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you, Kevin. Bye. We had a wonderful life. Good luck on the other side.
We'll come and get you out 2021 when Corona is gone.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
You're in trouble now.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Stop walking on him. We need to.
Wait, so who dug the hole?
Jesus.
He didn't. He dug his own hole.
Are you able to? You can do it? You can do it. I can do it. I always done it for Australia. I'm cost of office, so I can do that.
Oh, really? We'll do you next.
No. You can.
No, it's too sharp.
I want to walk too. Oh my Lord, Kevin.
No,
Wait, this is Fear Factor. Kevin, come on. Yes. This is Fear Factor, Kevin. Are you ready for this?
Open your mouth.
No.
Are you hungry?
Let's see if he's really strong.
One, now come out.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Jesus is Lord. This one was tough, right? Yay! He's back from the dead.
Oh, got it.
Wait, you don't bring clothes. This is what you're left with. No. It's not for the floor.
Mateo.
Even mommy couldn't reach.
Really?
Kevin, at one point that was dangerous, I'm telling you.
Why?
I had trouble holding onto Micah, and then there was two like big holes, and the sea was coming over, and I needed to catch Sophie and swipe my tail. Oh gosh, honestly, it's not joking.
Yeah.
Wow.
We almost died. But it's not so good. I want to go again.
Go. La pizza è assaggiata lì.
So Micah, did you have fun at the beach today? Where are we? What are we going to do here? We're at Bella Freak and we're gonna eat
Pizza.
Yay! So make sure you
Like, subscribe to our channel. Bye.
see you in the next one. Bye!